Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Richard Reti and Akiba Rubinstein. This game was played in Stockholm, Sweden in 1919. Richard Reti had white pieces and he started with e4. Akiba Rubinstein played e5, f4, King's Gambit, and now d5. Some people call this gambit a beer, but not ordinary beer. Falk beer, counter gambit. E takes on d5, pawn takes pawn on f4. White to move, queen to f3 was played. Knight to f3 is the most played move. Queen to f3, knight to f6, bishop to b5 check, bishop to d7, knight to c3, bishop to b4, knight from g to e2, Rubinstein castled kingside, bishop takes on d7, knight from b takes on d7, Richard Reti castled kingside too, knight to b6, knight takes pawn on f4, queen to d7 connecting rooks, d3, rook from a to d8, knight to e4, knight from f takes on d5, knight takes on d5, knight takes on d5, a3 attacking the bishop, black to move. Akiba Rubinstein played f5, attacking the knight. What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? If pawn takes bishop, f takes on e4, and after queen takes on e4, rook takes rook check, king takes rook, rook to e8, black is better. What else? If knight goes to f2, then bishop to e7, black is standing better. There was a surprise. Richard Reti played knight to f6 check. What a move. And the knight must be taken. Knight takes on f6, a takes on b4, opening the file for the rook. Queen to d4 check, king to h1, queen takes on b4, rook takes pawn on a7. Material is equal, but white invaded the 7th rank. How relevant is that? Black to move. Can you see that the pawn on f5 is not defended? How should black defend the pawn? Maybe queen to c5? Rubinstein played this tricky move, c6, setting up a trap. What is the trap? Richard Reti didn't fall for it. He played b3. What was the trap? That pawn on f5 was poisoned. If queen takes on f5, what happens then? Then knight to g4. And if queen takes on g4, then rook takes rook. Checkmate. And what else? If queen to e6 check, then king to h8. And after rook takes rook, queen takes rook. If queen goes back to defend the first rank, then rook to e8 is winning. Where is the queen going? How to defend f1 square? Like this? Then rook to e1 check is winning. Okay, back to our game. After c6, b3, planning to develop the bishop, queen to c5, rook takes on b7, queen takes on c2, bishop to a3 attacking the rook, rook to f7, the best move. If rook goes to e8, rook from f to e8, then queen takes on f5, and if black takes the pawn on d3, then white plays rook takes on g7 check, and after king takes on g7, queen takes knight check, king to g8, queen to f7 check, king to h8, bishop to b2 check, winning the game. Back to our game. Rubinstein played the best move, rook to f7. Rook takes rook check. King takes rook. Queen takes pawn on f5. Queen takes on d3. Queen to f4. Eyeing c7 square. Queen to e2. h3. Providing some fresh air for the king. Rook to d3. Attacking the pawn. On b3, how to defend the pawn? Richard Reti played queen to c7 check. King to g6. White to move. The rook on f1 is under attack. So is the pawn on b3. Reti played king to g1. It is black to move. The most critical position of the game. What would you do in this position if you had black pieces? Would you take the pawn on b3 or not? Rubinstein did. Better was queen to e6. Rook takes on b3 was played, attacking the bishop. If you remove all the pieces from the board and only leave pawns, black is winning. However, Rubinstein missed something. What is it? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? This is the winning move. Bishop to f8. Black to move. Knight to e8 was played. Perhaps queen to e3 check would offer a better resistance. Then king goes to h2. And after queen to h6, defending the pawn, white may take the pawn on c6 or even play rook takes on f6, check. King must take the rook. Then queen to e7 check. If king goes to g6, then queen to e6 check. And after king goes to g5, queen takes rook. What else? After check, if king goes to f5, then queen to f7 check. Black may play queen to f6, but this is not winning the bishop. Can you see why? After king to e4, white is advised to play queen to c4 check before taking the rook. If queen takes on b3, then queen to f4 check, and after queen to g3, queen takes bishop. But after queen to c4 check, white is winning, because if king goes to f8, then queen takes rook, and after check, queen to g3. Okay, back to our game. Knight to e8 was played. Queen to f7 check. King to h6. White played a move and black resigned. What is the move? What would you do? Reti played bishop takes on g7 check, and Rubinstein resigned in view of discontinuation. Knight takes on g7. Rook to f6 check. King to g5. Queen takes on g7 check. King to h4. Rook to h6 check. Queen to h5. And there is a checkmate in one. Queen goes to g4. Check. Mate. Wow. What a game. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.